The following video contains explicit content and other mature elements that may be deemed disturbing to some audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hold on for a second. God damn, I forgot to. Not you, damn it! Well, hello everyone. Today I'm gonna remake a reaction video there for a long time ago when my friends those guys are making fun of me that I made a reaction of Sally.EXE Part 1, the Master of Puppets. And yeah, I absolutely. So now I'm gonna try to do another video about you guys, so that's why well, it's gonna be really weird. I'm not doing these shits again because I am really learned. I really just calmed down for a little moment. So you guys, so anyone, let's go react this video in 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey guys, before
I just played that game for a little long time, and it was actually looks good, I guess. Wow! Sonic, are you serious? Come on. Because Amy just got injured in his eye. Hey! Welcome to Sonic.EXE with that shit. Alright, let's get more weird. Wait, no, actually. You can see his head, you can see his arms, though. Oh yeah, turning to a. Why is she dragged? Come on. Oh yeah, that's really that. Oh boy. Ah! You can see his bones! Alright. Alright. Jumpscare, I guess. Here goes. Not real, I'm not. I feel like no jump scare at all.